I have a responsibility to promote the culture of my country, of India, abroad. Every couple of years, I am sent for a mission. वो जब मुझे दूसरे देशों में भेजते हैं, it is like almost like going as a diplomat, because बहुत ज्यादा controversy हो जाएगी फिर. लोगों को बताना पड़ता था कि ये गाना सिर्फ मैंने गाया ही नहीं है, ये मैंने कंपोज भी किया है.
Are there friends in Bollywood?
Rajesh Bhatt ने खुद बोला नहीं, she is not just a sensational singer, but this is her composition. On the spot, I made the tagline of the song "Zinda हूँ मैं किसके लिए." I was the first singer to feature in the film singing the song. Even organizers to say नहीं ये बजा नहीं पाएगी यार, तो लड़की है.
जब मुझसे पूछते हैं आप क्या करते हैं,
हाँ.
तो मैं कहती हूँ कि मैं फोटोग्राफर हूँ. तो अच्छा, women भी photographers होती हैं?
Sajna Abhija was a huge hit, it won awards. It's a rat race. So I have to say कि जब हमारा episode live stream हो रहा था तो 16 crore people were watching it. मैं तो वहाँ पे रूध होके फिर भाग जाऊंगी. You've got the music coming.
Hello and welcome to the Michelle David Show. Guess what? आज हमारे साथ कौन है? हो गई है मोहब्बत तुमसे. Yes, you guessed that right. आज हमारे साथ है the most stunning Bollywood singer and composer Shibani Kashyap. Welcome to the show, Shibani.
Thank you so much, Michelle. It's a pleasure to be on your lovely podcast, and I love the setting here. I love the white setting.
Thank you so much. And I'm super duper excited to have you out here.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
So, Shibani, you're known as the girl with the green guitar. इसके पीछे क्या राज है? Why are you known as the girl with the green guitar?
Okay, so green is for environment friendly.
Right.
And I've always liked to, symbolize and do cause-oriented things in my life through my music. So my first guitar was a green guitar, and today also I'm carrying my green guitar here at your studio, as you can see.
I just noticed it. Yes.
Yes. So, when Sheila Dikshit ji was the Chief Minister of Delhi, she gave me the title of the Green Ambassador of Delhi. Because we also did a lot of work for the Clean Delhi, Green Delhi drive. There was a drive which was there, and I've always liked to do something for causes, and I think as a musical ambassador, I can be the ambassador to these kind of causes.
Absolutely.
So I've done a lot of songs which are cause oriented. Like I've done a women empowerment song. I've done a song for anti-drunken driving.
Wonderful.
And so basically that's I love to do that through music. If you can actually communicate a cause, spread a message, I think that's the best, because music has a huge powerful effect on people. So
and
recently,
you being such an inspiration.
Thank you so much.
Yes, absolutely.
And Michelle, I'd like to tell you that recently I collaborated with Ricky Cage, who's of course a thrice Grammy Award winner.
Oh, wow.
He's a very, very, very amazing international artist and composer. So we did a peace anthem, because there's a lot of, I think, unrest in the entire world, and I think through music, if people hear these kind of songs, maybe it just subliminally goes into your system and it becomes like it sort of helps and can make a difference and can make a change.
So tell us more about your international experience as a performer.
Oh my gosh, Michelle, that's a question right after my own heart, because ever since I've been performing internationally, I've sort of felt that I have a responsibility to promote the culture of my country, of India, abroad. And that is something which it enthralls me so much. It's such a substantial feeling, So I'm very honored and lucky and very fortunate that I am a panel artist of the Indian Council for Cultural Relations, ICCR. Wow. So, every couple of years, I am sent for a mission. Now, in this case, the mission is musical mission, right? I have, as a musician, as a singer, as an artist, I represent the art and culture of my country in different festivals all over the world. So I've been to countries like Egypt, I've been to Indonesia, I've been to Canada, I've been to various countries. And my very recent trip was Uzbekistan.
I did see it, in fact, on
Yeah.
social media.
Yeah, that's
I
right.
saw your wonderful performance as well.
Thank you so much. And that was a very, I think, a memorable performance for me because, it was one of those international music festivals, and I was the first Indian artist to actually represent my country, India, there as
That's
a
such a
performer.
proud moment.
In the closing ceremony, that too. And and the name of the festival is a little tongue twister. It's called Shark Taro Nalari. I had to really practice it because I could not go wrong, in pronouncing this.
Absolutely.
And and it was organized by UNESCO. So there were about 22 countries which had participated in it, and it was fantastic. But it is so amazing when you sing Indian songs, and the Uzbekistan audience, not just the Uzbekistan audience, the audience from all over the world, they were singing all the songs. Like Jai Ho was,
You mean they love Bollywood?
they love Bollywood so
Wow.
much. So of course, Bappi Da's songs
Yes.
are very popular.
I see.
So I
I
sang
heard Shah Rukh Khan is very popular.
very
as well.
popular. But Bappi Da's songs like Mithun Chakrabarti is a mega, mega, mega,
You mean
mega
Mithun
star.
Chakravarti as well?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
So all the songs picturized on him are huge. Like so, Jimmy, Jimmy, Jimmy.
Oh, I love it.
Aja,
I love
Aja. Like it's an anthem there. Everybody sings. Then Raj Kapoor is a huge. I mean, he's worshipped there. So
Yes.
there's a beautiful restaurant there called the Raj Kapoor restaurant. There's a wall of fame there. Now I'm on that wall of fame also.
You are?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. That's,
So they
that's such
love the movies, they love Bollywood movies, and every year they have a film festival there where they honor all the Indian films. Abhishek Bachchan just recently went there, and of course the entire Kapoor family had just gone to celebrate the 100 years of Raj Kapoor
Right.
centenary celebrations. So it was fantastic to be there and see the energy and the adrenaline and how everybody was dancing and singing word to word. So they don't understand the language, but they know the language. They know every line of the songs. So yeah, that was a fantastic moment. So
I think so.
really,
Music definitely unites.
yes,
countries,
absolutely
unites people.
And music has, it transcends all barriers of language.
Absolutely.
There's no really language for music. Music is the universal language.
Absolutely, absolutely. Truly agree with you. So I've heard, Shibani, you also a lot into philanthropic work. I mean, you're very active socially as well.
So Michelle, I connect with you in that,
Yes.
the way you are. So I think I admire that about you with your Michelle David Foundation. What all lovely work, noble work that you're doing.
You were part of the calendar as well last
Yes,
year.
absolutely. So I just feel that so much love and so much wonderful things have been given to me by the people, by the society, and I think we should give back to the society as well, and that is a very fulfilling feeling. So I was the brand ambassador for Roundtable India, and we used to help towards educating the underprivileged in that. So even like if somebody has a laptop or a PC, which they want to give away, we used to just take that and put it in schools. And literally, there were schools which were made out of sheds where teachers used to go and teach. So I used to, promote that a lot. It was a wonderful feeling because since I come from a family of educationists, my
Right.
mother,
Your mother
is a-
was
she's
a
an
teacher,
she's an education.
educationist.
Yeah, she's an
Right, right.
educationist. So yeah. Also, I'm the vice president of the artist fraternity,
Wonderful.
which was founded by Meeta Nagpal, and that's a lovely feeling also because we give an opportunity to give a showcase or a platform to upcoming artists. Artists who don't get the opportunity to sing live anywhere. So there have been many times that when I'm doing a show, so the show is opened by one of the upcoming artists that selected and mentored by me. So that gives them
That is
such
such an amazing
thrill,
feeling,
yeah.
actually,
Yeah, it
to
is.
empower someone.
Yeah, absolutely. So yeah, this is the way that I like to try and give back to the society
And you
through
were
philanthropic
such a
work.
support in the calendar as well.
Thank you so much. Always.
Yes. जिंदा हूँ मैं किसके लिए सजना आ भी जा I'm so sorry, Shibani. मैं इतनी बड़ी जरूरत कर रही हूँ आपके सामने गाने की.
You were singing very well,
But,
yaar. I'm very impressed.
ये मैं एक्चुअली सिंगर बनने के लिए नहीं गा रही हूँ, बट आई वांट टू टेल द व्यूअर्स ये सारे गाने सिर्फ शिबानी ने सिर्फ गाए नहीं है, बट यू आर आल्सो द कंपोजर ऑफ दिस सॉन्ग.
That's right. तो ये आई थिंक ये जो लाइफ का एक चैलेंज है जिससे मैं जूझ रही हूँ, आई वुड से जब से मैंने कंपोजिंग स्टार्ट करी, इट वाज अ स्ट्रगल फॉर मी मिशेल की लोगों को बताना पड़ता था कि ये गाना सिर्फ मैंने गाया ही नहीं है, ये मैंने कंपोज भी किया है।
जी।
यू नो, सो इनफैक्ट जब मेरा पहला बॉलीवुड का सॉन्ग सजना अभिजा रिलीज हुआ था, और म्यूजिक लॉन्च पे क्योंकि एक दौर ऐसा चला था जब यू नो मल्टीपल म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर्स को लिया जाना शुरू किया डायरेक्टर्स ने, फिल्म डायरेक्टर्स ने, बिकॉज दे वांटेड टू गेट मोर वैरायटी इन द म्यूजिक। सो सिर्फ एक म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर की जगह इट लाइक एन एनसेम्बल कास्ट नहीं होती लाइक दैट। सो शशांक घोष की फिल्म थी वैसा भी होता है पार्ट 2, फॉर विच he gave me this opportunity to compose and sing. So इसमें 2 और गाने भी हैं इस फिल्म में, वैसा तुम बस तुम एंड प्रेम डंग, वो भी मैंने गाए हैं,
वो भी
एंड कंपोज किए हैं, बिल्कुल।
wonderful.
पर
I
ये
was
बहुत
not
बड़ा
aware
हिट हो गया
about
था,
that, yeah.
ये भी बहुत बड़ा हिट हो गया था। पर और एक और सॉन्ग था अल्लाह के बंदे, विच कैलाश खेरत
अल्लाह के
sang, but it was
बंदे, yes.
composed by विशाल एंड शेखर।
Right.
So क्योंकि विशाल एंड शेखर आर ऑलरेडी वेरी बिग नेम्स इन द म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर वर्ल्ड, सो लोगों को लगा कि ये सजना अभिजा भी उन्हीं की कॉम्पोजिशन है। तो म्यूजिक लॉन्च पे जब म्यूजिक लॉन्च हो रहा था तो उस समय भाई सजना अभिजा तो बहुत ही हिट हो गया था।
Right.
सो आई रिमेम्बर कि महेश भट्ट ने यू नो वो म्यूजिक लॉन्च किया, फिर सबने बोला वाओ क्या बात है, क्या म्यूजिक दिया है, यू नो उनका नाम लिया विशाल शेखर का, एंड शिबानी आपने क्या गाया है। तब महेश भट्ट ने खुद बोला नहीं, शी इज नॉट जस्ट अ सेंसेशनल सिंगर बट दिस इज हर कॉम्पोजिशन। तो अब मुझे खुद से बोलने में बहुत ऑकवर्ड और शर्म सी आ रही थी कि यू नो आई कांट यू नो कीप गिविंग क्रेडिट टू माई सेल्फ लाइक दिस।
Absolutely.
बट जब उन्होंने ये बोला तो देयर वाज अ साइलेंस इन द रूम दैट टाइम। सो दे लाइक इन डिसबिलीफ कि अरे ये तो लड़की है, बिकॉज आई वाज रियली ट्रूली बैक इन 2003 की बात है ये।
Right.
2003 में अपार्ट फ्रॉम मे बी उषा खन्ना जी जो बहुत पहले कंपोज किया करती थी और म्यूजिक डायरेक्शन करती थी, शायद अभी भी करती हैं, बट हम विमेन को व्हेन वी डू समथिंग व्हिच इज आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स, दिस इज कंसिडर्ड आउट
There
ऑफ
are
द
very
बॉक्स।
less composers, female composers actually.
सो वो उनको वो एक्नॉलेजमेंट पता नहीं क्यों नहीं मिलता हमको।
जी।
तो ये मेरी जो एक आई वुड से एक स्ट्रगल है या एक लड़ाई है, ये जारी है, ये तब से ही जारी है, बिकॉज बार बार मुझे लोगों को बताना पड़ता है, और लोगों को नहीं पता होते भी वो उसको वो कर
They don't
देते
acknowledge
हैं,
it.
दे काइंड ऑफ यू नो bypass it. So that time this happened. Then उसके बाद of course मैंने सोचा कि यार I should get a very good PR person ताकि मीडिया ये बात लिखनी शुरू करे। So जब मीडिया ने लिखा तो एक बहुत बड़े न्यूज़पेपर में फ्रंट पेज न्यूज आई थी कि द सजना अभिजा कंपोजर शिबानी कश्यप कम्स आउट फॉर द न्यू एल्बम नजाकत। So उसी दिन संजय दत्त जी एंड संजय गुप्ता, उनका एक प्रोडक्शन हाउस था व्हाइट फेदर फिल्म्स, तो उन्होंने वो न्यूज पढ़ी एंड दे वर मेकिंग अ फिल्म कॉल्ड जिंदा।
Zinda.
एंड उनका फेवरेट सॉन्ग था, संजय गुप्ता का ये फेवरेट सॉन्ग था सजना अभिजा। सो ही टोल्ड संजय दत्त एंड ही सेड अरे इट्स अ वुमन, शी इज कंपोज, लेट्स कॉल हर टू द ऑफिस। एंड लकीली मैं उस समय बॉम्बे में थी, सो एवरीथिंग जस्ट फेल इनटू प्लेस। आई केम फॉर द मीटिंग, उन्होंने मुझे नरेशन दी फिल्म की पूरी, और ऑन द स्पॉट आई मेड द टैगलाइन ऑफ द सॉन्ग जिंदा हूं मैं किसके लिए।
You mean on the spot you did?
Yeah, because
Oh, wow.
I said, why don't we do it? They said, we're looking for a title track. I said, title track जो है उसमें नाम जो है, it should be the name of the film. And जिंदा हूं मैं किसके लिए, because the whole film is about why Sanjay Dutt is kept alive in the prison and all of that. Once you watch the film, you'll understand what I'm talking about. So ऐसे मुझे फिर ये अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली टू कंपोज दिस सॉन्ग, और इसी फिल्म में एक और भी गाना मैंने कंपोज किया। बट अगेन इन दिस फिल्म देयर वाज आनंद राज आनंद जी, उन्होंने एक गाना किया था कंपोज, इवन विशाल शेखर डिड वन सॉन्ग। सो अगेन इट वाज एन एनसेम्बल। तो ये दौर शुरू हुआ जहां पे मल्टीपल म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर्स को यूज किया जा रहा था टू make the music of the film. So I was a part of this revolution, you know, Michelle, because it was not something which was, it was a very exciting time. And also, I think I can very easily say that as a singer, I was the first singer to be to feature in the film singing the song.
So is it
उसके पहले
still-
playback voices थे, you know?
Right. So is it still challenging for you? I mean, being a
Absolutely.
composer, being a Bollywood singer.
Michelle, I got nominated for Zinda Hu Main in Stardust Awards as Best Upcoming Music Director.
Right.
खैर मुझे अवार्ड नहीं मिला, अवार्ड that's fine, you know, the fact that I was nominated amongst people like, you know, Pritam and Mithun, so all of that, so I felt that wow, this is another big step कि अगर मुझे इंडस्ट्री ने एक्नॉलेज किया है एज अ म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर और मैं नॉमिनेट हुई हूँ, वही अपने आप में बड़ी बात है।
True.
एंड ऑफ कोर्स उसके बाद मैंने आई थिंक आई डिड देन रोहित शेट्टी अप्रोच्ड मी फॉर हिज फिल्म संडे, तो मैंने एक और गाना बनाया क्या कश्मकश है ये, व्हिच वाज पिक्चराइज्ड ऑन ईशा देओल। सो ऐसे ऐसे करते करते मैंने 5 फिल्में और करी विद वाइट फेदर फिल्म्स, 10 कहानियां, वुडस्टॉक विला, एंड द काउंट इज, इट्स अ गुड काउंट आई वुड से.
Right.
मनीष कोइराला की कमबैक फिल्म थी सिर्फ, जिसका टाइटल ट्रैक मैंने कंपोज किया और गाया. एंड so there were many such films and many such opportunities I was getting, especially मेरे को टेलीविजन से बहुत सारे ऑफर्स आने लगे,
Right.
जहाँ पे मैंने टाइटल ट्रैक्स कंपोज किए. बट इतना सब कुछ करने के बाद फिर भी मीडिया भी हुआ, पीआर ने भी इतना हेल्प किया. आई वुड रियली गिव अ बिग थैंक्स टू द मीडिया फॉर दिस. बट लोगों में अभी भी ये वो डिसबिलीव रहता है, नहीं नहीं इसने नहीं किया होगा कंपोज. नहीं नहीं.
So
when I used to play the guitar back in early 2000s, you know, I used to pick up the guitar and play it in all my shows. So again audience में even organizers to say नहीं नहीं ये बजा नहीं पाएगी यार, ये तो लड़की है. So इस टाइप की चीजें थी, मतलब you know,
is it the industry
discouragement,
only
you know,
who is discouraging, or is
it was
it in
it was very
public as
male
well?
oriented industry, like
Male oriented.
in terms of
Yes.
you know, जहाँ पे प्रोडक्शन आ जाता है या म्यूजिक डायरेक्शन हो या इवन फिल्म डायरेक्शन हो. ऑफ कोर्स नाउ वी हैव अमेजिंग women filmmakers
Yes,
like
absolutely.
Kiran Rao, who I met last year when she was screening Lapata Ladies, and big up to her. I love that film, and I'm very honored that I was one of the first few people to watch the film with her.
Wow.
At the American Center, और हम दोनों को अवार्ड भी मिला था for women empowerment that day. So I felt so good कि women empowerment के दिन एक ऐसी खूबसूरत फिल्म रिलीज हो रही है, directed by a woman film director, you know. So and women cinematographers is also
It's
quite a
it's
rarity.
actually people
अब जैसे
get
आप woman
astonished.
photographer हो, you know.
Absolutely. जब
So
मुझसे पूछते हैं आप क्या करते हैं,
हाँ.
तो मैं कहती हूँ कि मैं फोटोग्राफर हूँ. तो अच्छा, कई लोग जो नहीं, जिनको नहीं पता है, from even small cities as well, अच्छा women भी photographers होती हैं.
exactly. So this is the reaction that I have been getting. And also see, I'm also a passionate singer. तो जब भी मैंने बहुत ही नामी म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर्स को अप्रोच किया, क्योंकि मेरे गाने तो हिट हो गए थे. सजना बीटा was a huge hit, it won awards, and so was Zinda, and उसके बाद और भी जो गाने आ रहे थे, तो I was very much in the news. But जब भी मैं किसी बहुत बड़े म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर को फोन करती थी, I said so and so, I can't take the names because बहुत ज्यादा कंट्रोवर्सी हो जाएगी फिर.
Yes.
कि आई होप आपने मेरा नया गाना सुना हो, या आपने मेरा, हाँ सबने सुना है आपका गाना, तो लेकिन सुनने में आया कि कंपोज भी आप ही करती हैं. ऐसे नहीं, मैंने ये वाले गाने कंपोज करे हैं, बट आई वुड लव टू सिंग फॉर यू. नहीं आप तो अपना खुद ही कंपोज करो, आप हमारे पास क्यों आ रहे हो. सो ऐसे ऐसे मुझे जवाब मिलते थे, बहुत टॉन्टिंग.
How about your fellow composers? Were they supportive or
No, not really.
not really?
No.
In Bollywood?
No, not.
Are there friends in Bollywood? I know that's a very
That's a debate.
controversial.
Yes, there are
question,
friends.
yeah.
ऐसी बात नहीं है, there are friends, but I think it is such a hugely competitive industry
Yeah.
that people like to keep their personal life separate from their work life, क्योंकि बहुत ही ज्यादा you know, I would say it's a rat race.
Yes.
That's the right
Yes.
word for it. But मैं अभी भी जैसे आपके पॉडकास्ट में आई होप लोगों को ये इस बात की जानकारी हो जाए कि भाई मैंने ये वाले गाने कंपोज भी किए, एंड ऑल्सो इन on Spotify and all my other, you know, audio streaming platforms, you will get to hear some of my own music created and made just by me.
आपने अभी I think so एक म्यूजिक वीडियो भी कंपोज भी किया है and you have sung it.
Yes, so एक हाल ही में गाना आया था जोगिया,
Yes.
जो मैंने
मुझे
कंपोज किया
बहुत
था.
पसंद आया था.
थैंक यू सो मच. तो उसमें टीवी का बहुत ही जाना माना एक्टर धीरज दुपर, ही इज फीचर्ड इन इट, एंड स्मृति कालरा, शी इज आल्सो अ वेरी वेल नोन एक्टर. सो it looks like a mini movie actually. It's come out so beautiful, and many other songs, like, you know, I collaborated with Meet Brothers recently on Heer Hai Roi.
Yes.
I co-composed the song with them. It's come out really well. So वो हमने बिग बॉस में जाके उसको प्रमोट भी किया
Yes,
था.
I was going to come to that also.
Yeah.
You have just performed in Big Boss
Yes,
as well,
yes,
the
yes.
OTT platform.
That's right.
I
yeah.
saw the episode and you were amazing.
Thank you so much. It was fun to be there just for a short while, but
Yes.
but hats off to all the Big Boss contestants कि भाई जो लोग वहाँ पे महीनों महीनों रह जाते हैं. I don't know how they do it, because वहाँ पे there is no track of क्या वक्त हो रहा है, क्या is it day or is it night or what time. वहाँ पे clock भी नहीं है, watch नहीं है, television नहीं है, phones नहीं है. Oh my gosh.
How was the experience?
Big salute.
In Big Boss.
I really enjoyed it because एक तो ये वाला जो शो है, the moment you are on this show and you're being watched by crores of people. So I have to say कि जब हमारा एपिसोड लाइव स्ट्रीम हो रहा था तो 16 करोड़ people were watching it, and I'm sure जब वो टेलीकास्ट भी हुआ जियो पे तो oh my gosh, it was again so I can imagine जितने भी बिग बॉस के कंटेस्टेंट्स हैं वो, I mean, जो भी वहाँ पे कंट्रोवर्सीज अपार्ट, बहुत मेहनत लगती है. It is a lot of patience. I think वो लोग वहां पे निकल के साधु बन जाते हैं because it's a lot of endurance that they have to bear, you know, with so many things which are not available to them. उनके मन का खाना नहीं मिलता उनको वहां पे, all the tasks that they have to do. So
Would you like to be a part of it as a contestant?
I've been approached many times, but I don't think I fit the bill. I'm not really the right.
Controversies.
I'm not the right fit for Big Boss. Yeah.
You mean you won't be a part of the controversies?
No, I can't be. मैं तो वहाँ पे रो धो के फिर भाग जाऊंगी.
So Shibani, आप क्या बचपन से ही सिंगर ही बनना चाहते थे, or you aspired to be some other profession?
So Michelle, you know, in my school days, I was very fascinated by the services, which is Indian Foreign Service. मुझे IFS ऑफिसर बनने का बहुत बहुत शौक था, and I really was, I would say, मतलब ये मेरा ड्रीम था उस समय जब मैं स्कूल में थी, क्योंकि मैं बहुत ही स्टूडियस थी. I was a gold medalist in school and all of that.
wow.
और मैं बहुत ही पढ़ाकू थी, मतलब अब शायद मुझे देख के ऐसा नहीं लगता है, बट बुक्स वर माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड, यू नो. एंड आई यूज्ड टू जस्ट, जब कोई मुझे बोलता था नहीं नहीं यहाँ चलो वहां चलो, ऐसे नहीं मुझे घर पे बैठ के बुक्स ही पढ़नी है.
You still read a lot?
Not so much, because so basically I'll come to that, because I have a very weak eyesight. So maybe इतना पढ़ के or whatever, I don't know what happened, but my eyesight started becoming weaker and weaker. और तो तब हमारे डॉक्टर ने हमको बोला कि यू कैन नॉट क्वालिफाई फॉर IFS बिकॉज वहां पे आईसाइट का होता है कुछ, यू नो, देयर इज अ criteria.
Right.
So I was very heartbroken because I wanted to travel the world, and I want to travel the world as a diplomat, as an ambassador. क्योंकि मुझे लगता था कि अपने देश का जो भी कल्चर है, देश की जो खूबियां हैं, वो हम और देशों को के साथ एक क्रॉस कल्चर एक्सचेंज करें और वहाँ के कल्चर के बारे में और जाने. सो इट वाज माय ड्रीम टू डू दिस. सो वेल, और मैं ऑफ कोर्स स्कूल में गाती भी थी. यू नो, आई स्टार्ट माय करियर विद You've got the music coming.
Yes, absolutely. We didn't get to that.
FM is ready for you. So the AIR FM signature tune was.
So ये आपका पहला
in my voice,
ad
yeah.
jingle था?
Jingle था, और उसके बाद of course the rest, it was a wonderful journey,
I think
which is still carrying on.
A blessing in disguise.
Yes.
कि
So
आप,
I took to music. I mean, music was
में
always there in my blood and as a passion also. So then I turned my passion into my career, and I'm so glad I did that because I'm so happy. Or you know, as I told you earlier in the conversation, that मैं ICCR की panel artist हूँ. तो वो जब मुझे दूसरे देशों में भेजते हैं, it is like almost like going as a diplomat, because I have a diplomatic passport also.
So आपका ये सपना तो पूरा
ये सपना मेरा दूसरे तरीके से पूरा हो गया. So it was like a double bonus for me कि मैं सिंगर भी बनी, और मैं in a way I'm like a musical cultural ambassador. So I represent India in you know, different festivals abroad, जो मैंने आपको भी बताया था. बहुत सारे म्यूजिक फेस्टिवल्स में जाके परफॉर्म करती हूँ, and I go as a mission कि भाई दोनों देशों में दोस्ती हो via the culture, through the cultural exchange and through the music.
Wonderful. So Shibani, some fun questions coming up.
Sure.
Your favorite actor?
Hrithik Roshan.
Oh wow, the Greek god.
Greek god, totally. Yeah.
We all love him actually.
Absolutely.
Your country, your favorite country?
It's a very difficult question because I've been to so many countries, और सारी countries में इतनी अच्छी अपनी खूबियां हैं. But I would say that I think recently I visited Vietnam, and I really fell in love with how beautiful the place is, how unexplored it is, and going on the river cruise to different islands there. वहाँ का खाना मुझे बहुत ही healthy और बहुत ही yummy भी लगा. And I just, for a holiday, I think that's my favorite destination currently.
So what would be your happy food?
So वैसे तो I love घर का खाना. Homemade food is like my most favorite. But अगर कभी if like I want to do a cheat day where I want to just go binging, so I would say that yeah, I'd love to have the food at Pandara Road, the butter chicken and naan and the, you know, Lacha paratha. That's my favorite. Yeah.
Oh, actually, my mouth is watering. We need to go there.
Yeah, let's go.
And okay, you're the best. For me, you're the best singer. But apart from you, who's your favorite?
My favorite, hands down, is Arijit Singh. I don't
Wow,
think there's
yes,
a singer like that
Absolutely.
in the entire world, I would say. He's an amazing singer, and I'm really thrilled about one thing कि वो अपने concerts पे सजना अभी जा गाते हैं. और on one such concert मैं गई थी उनका concert देखने के लिए, and उन्होंने बोला now I'm going to sing my favorite songs of other singers. It's going to be called the Nostalgic Set.
Yeah.
So he's like, okay. So he started with KK's song, and then the second one was Sajna Abhi Ja.
wow.
I said, what?
That might be
So,
that moment, you know.
It
for
was
you
so
as
beautiful.
well.
Yeah, it's there on YouTube. So
आ भी जा सजना आ भी जा नहीं लगता तेरे बिना दिल मेरा ओ नहीं लगता तेरे बिना दिल मेरा
you know, I really cherish that moment. क्योंकि मेरे लिए वो he's my favorite singer.
Yes.
He's so versatile. So then I got up from the audience and I said, wow. And he said, oh, Shivani Kashyap is here. So he was quite surprised that I was there. So that's a lovely moment for me, unforgettable moment, I think.
And I feel he's a very humble soul as well.
He's so simple, so humble, and so talented. What a lovely musician. He plays the guitar so beautifully. He plays the piano so beautifully. He sings every song and he makes it his own. Amazing.
Thank you so much, Shivani, for being out here. I truly had a wonderful time having a conversation with you.
Thank you for having me on the Michelle David show. मुझे भी बहुत मजा आया.
Same here. So keep watching the Michelle David show. Till then, stay tuned.
सजना